Life is miserable, but you know what makes it less miserable? When Blast, the CSGO tournament people, randomly email you saying that, hey, we're gonna send over an awesome headset and some awesome Blast merch. So I was like, okay, and then they not only do they send me some awesome merch, but also they sent me this, a Sennheiser GSP 600, one of the most high-end headsets available in the market. This thing costs like what, $200 or so? It's ridiculously insane, so I decided to record for you live my first reactions to it and my unboxing. Issue is that most of it got corrupted, because I said life is miserable, but hey, let me take you to the future where I'll show you whatever I managed to rescue. Wow, here we are. This is taking up all the room on my desk right now, so let's just get started with a Blast hat, because why not? Then I also have this weird, like, suspicious looking blank brown package. Actually, okay, so no, it's on my other delivery, that's fine. Now with this item, I appreciate it, I appreciate it, I like that it's included. I just think it's a bit poorly timed, you know, because ooh, there's actually two things here. I was not expecting that. The audio is going to be great. Because it's a Blast hoodie. And it's ridiculously hot right now, at least in the UK. So that's going to be fun. Another thing I'm curious about is the sizing. Because yes, I know I'm really dangerously skinny. You don't have to constantly tell me in the comments. But I'm like in a weird small, between small and medium territory. So I'm curious to see. I ordered medium. When they asked me what size, I said medium. So like, I may not have a lot of interest in CSGO, which is like what they mainly focus in, but like, I gotta say the logo is really cool looking. And I really love like these like, almost like vaporwavy, between like purple, cyan, magenta types. And this other package appears to be a t-shirt. That's, okay, at least that's something I can wear without me literally dying of heat stroke. That's really cool. So thank you, Blast, very cool. It's like a tiny bit too big, like I expected from a medium, but like it's better to be safe than sorry. And I guess, you know, hopefully I will be able to fit into medium close properly.
11 o'clock, who's ringing my phone? I'm just cool, laid back like Nina Simone. And that's fresh.
But I know none of you are interested in that. What you're interested in is this box right here. Trusty Swiss Army knife at the ready. Let's get into this, and hopefully I won't stab the actual contents of it. See, I was wondering why exactly, like, not that I'm complaining, I got this all for free, but I was wondering why it took them so fast to ship it over the hoodie and a hat, which I got like a day after they contacted me, but this took like several weeks. Turns out this was shipping from Denmark. And I have packing peanuts everywhere on my desk. That's gonna be fun. Packing peanuts everywhere. Oh no. Oh no. But that doesn't matter, because I have the gaming headset for the 1% now. Now even though I have even though I have like usually longer nails than most males, I am struggling to get this open, and there we go. Open it up, I want to see it. I want to see my brand new headset that will be replacing my poor Corsair Void Pro Surround, whatever it's called. That's why it's not opening. That's another piece of tape. That I should have seen that coming. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. There they are. Wait, what? No, they're not wireless. It's probably, okay, the cable's in here. Oh my word. These are built like a tank. I don't even know what to say about. Look at these things. Like, they look like a mix between what you see in like an air control tower and also in one of those like unrealistic esports ads. Oh my word. Like, there's just so much materials on each cup that you can barely hear anything. Like, I put these on and I can't hear my PC anymore. The mic is also really cool. You just go down and it's on, and up and it's off, and you can hear like a little nice click. Oh my word, this is all just too cool. Even the box is like premium. I mean, if you actually bought this for like £200, like it's like $300 at this point or something, I don't know. Here's the thing, I wouldn't really call myself an audiophile, but I just happen to, you know, now possess one of the best headsets you can buy, which is interesting. But also, one thing I am a giant proponent of is sound cards. I believe they're a good and relatively affordable way to really boost your audio. And it amazes me how many people I see in like Discord and forums saying that they're useless. They are not. Sound cards will, take it from me, sound cards will really help it. I get no like Sennheiser sticker though. I was kind of like hoping for a sticker. I feel bad complaining because this is all just too cool to even complain. So I guess now time to disconnect my faithful Corsair Void Pro surround 7.1 do that thing, which is like, I had this for like maybe what, a year, 2 years, I think like 2 years almost. I like them, but they are really definitely like, you know, mid-tier. So like these have way bigger frequency range, but also the main selling point of these is that they have like, you know, this great advantage thanks to the main surround, so you can like hear everything in games. Issue is that soon after I got these headphones, I got a sound card, and these require you to use a USB dongle they included to run it, but my sound card doesn't support USB, just, you know, audio jack. So the main feature that you pay for here, I don't even use. So, and besides there's a way better feature that's like that, including my sound card. So, but with these, you're not paying for any gimmicks. You're paying just for an amazing frequency range, because I already checked that online because I was just too hyped for these. And you're paying for the quality, the noise cancelling. Apparently, the fact that if you put them on, then you basically become deaf to the outside world. The mic, which apparently is like really high quality, and also it also has like active noise cancelling, which isn't like super exciting in a world of like RTX voice and all of like software ways that I include now. Even like Discord is like messing with it now, I know. But most of that is going to be coming in my full review of these headphones. But I just can't. I need to listen to these now. So yeah, main review coming really soon. Subscribe if you want to see exactly my full thoughts on this. I just need to listen to something like right now on these. Now, trying to connect these while you cannot see anything is rather hard. Okay, that's headphone in. Ooh. Let's just go in with something good. So let's just over here go with something like, what do you even listen to? What is the first thing you want to do on a headset like this? Like, do you want to listen to like some ambient stuff, or I know. Let's just start it off right. Let's listen to one of my favorite songs of all time, probably High Hopes by Pink Floyd, because I'm a hipster like that. And the thing is that I have been like purposefully trying to listen to less music, just so I could get really like built up for when these arrive. Ooh, I'm ready. Wait, is my EQ profile set? Yes, it is. Cool. Oh my. That is... So I may be shouting for all I know because I can't hear myself. I'm like 42 seconds in, like keep in mind that this song has a really long intro, and I don't even know really what to say because I'm just like, it's hard to describe, but it feels like almost too lifelike. If that makes sense. I think it's gonna take some getting used to. I'm gonna listen to this whole thing, but my camera is yelling at me and I'm running out of space on my SD card, so I'm gonna have a full review, but for now I'm just gonna listen to Pink Floyd, let all my worries fade away, and I'm gonna have a full review of these very soon. So if this video made you want to maybe, I don't know, pick up this headset yourself, then I recommend check out my Amazon link down in the video description below, and also I'll probably have it in the pinned comments because well, why not? It does cost a fair bit, but it is really solid. I'll have a full review of it really soon, and if you use the Amazon link, then you support the channel and you don't spend even a penny more, which is just, well, it's a win-win. Then I also just like to say thank you ever so much, Blast, Epos, you know, just everyone for sending me this stuff. It's awesome. Especially this. It's absolutely awesome. If you wanna, you know, talk to me or others about this, then maybe check out my Discord down in the video description below, and now you also have a Patreon if you don't have to support the channel monetarily, as even $1 a month goes a long way. So if you enjoyed this video on this really expensive headset, don't subscribe, like, whatever, and I know that if you don't do those things, then that's just because you're jealous, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.